So you want to hide your Instagram account. You don't want people to be able to find it, search for it, and view your photos and videos, but you don't want to delete it permanently. Then I'll show you a little trick on how you can hide it from everyone on Instagram without deleting it. And before we jump in, if this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Firstly, we'll open our Instagram app on either our iPhone or our Android phone. It doesn't matter which mobile phone you have because the steps are absolutely the same. And what I'll do now is to open the settings. So tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. After that, we'll open the Account Center option because we will need to find an option, which is called Personal Details. And this is located under the Account Settings section. Here it is, so I'll tap on it to open it. And the next step is to click on Account Ownership and Control. Let's tap on the second option called Deactivation or Deletion. And we can select a specific Facebook or Instagram account which we want to hide from other people on the platform. You can do this exact step with a Facebook profile as well if you want to hide a Facebook account, but you don't want to delete it. But I'll proceed with an Instagram account, and you'll get to this page where you can either deactivate or delete an account. Since we don't want to delete our account, we'll tap on Deactivate Account and continue. You will be able to see which things will be deactivated and hidden from everyone on Instagram, and our job is to enter our Instagram password in order to confirm our decision. Select a reason if you want to, but I'll add something else, and continue. Before you tap Deactivate Account, here's what this actually does. Deactivating will instantly hide your profile, photos, videos, likes, and comments from everyone on Instagram, as if your account doesn't exist. Nobody will be able to search your username, view your profile, or message you while it's deactivated. And the good news is, nothing is deleted. You can bring everything back anytime, just by logging back in. Whenever you're ready to return, simply open Instagram, sign in with your username and password, and your account will be fully restored exactly how it was.